Hey Tangle Roots Tribe, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Steph, and on this channel we talk about locks, healthy hair, as well as self-improvement, also skincare. So if you're interested in those type of topics, make sure you subscribe to this channel. So yeah, let's waste no time. Oh, also guys, before we get into the video, make sure you check out the description box below. I have some goodies down there for you. We have a interactive digital workbook for healthy hair, as well as physical prints if you wanted to physically print it out and write in it. But guys, it's definitely a awesome thing to have. Make sure you check it out in the description box below. So let's get into why we're all here. I get this question quite a bit, guys, whether in real life or online. And that question is, what microlocks lock faster? So yes, guys, we're going to talk about it, get into the nitty gritty. So let's go. So first topic, what does locking faster even mean? Locking faster doesn't mean that your hair is going to magically mature overnight. Locking is a process. It means the hair begins to tangle and mesh together, the pattern becomes less visible, the lock starts to feel firm instead of fluffy. Now everyone's timeline is different, but some microlock methods tend to lock faster than others. Install method does matter. Here are the main microlock installation types. You got your two-strand twist microlocks, interlocked microlocks, braid locks, as well as instant locks, which is done with a crochet tool. Now we're just going to jump right into it. We're going to go from the fastest to the slowest microlock method. So first we have instant locks, interlocked microlocks, braid locks, and two-strand twists. Now two-strand twists usually take the longest to lock because the hair can unravel, puff up, and stay soft for months. Interlock locks lock faster because the hair is being knotted together from day one. Now guys, this does consist of your branded sister locks, which is an awesome method if you wanted to go that route. But also microlocks can be interlocked from the root to the tip as well. So number 3, your hair type plays a huge role. Even with the same method, hair type changes everything. Coarse, kinky, type 4 hair locks faster. Fine, silky, or loose curl patterns lock slower. Also, another thing to throw out there, guys, high porosity hair tends to lock faster, and low porosity hair tends to lock slower. Lower porosity hair tends to hold on to moisture longer than high density. Moisture does prolong the locking method. That's why low porosity hair tends to lock slower. So basically, guys, two people can get the same microlock, same method and everything, but they would have two totally different locking timelines. So let's jump into another factor. Size matters. Smaller microlocks usually lock faster because there is less hair in each lock, the strands tangle more easily, and frizz forms quicker. Now, larger microlocks take longer because the hair has more room to move around, and then it's just more hair in that lock, so it just will tend to take longer than smaller locks. Another factor, your maintenance routine. Your routine can speed things up or slow things down. Things that help microlocks lock faster are less manipulation, not constantly retwisting, minimal products, regular washing, and allowing frizz to happen. So yes, guys, definitely, if you want your hair to lock, you gotta leave the hair alone. You gotta just let it do its thing and let it lock on its own. Too much moisture and too much heavy products can definitely weigh it down. And speaking of that, let's get into things that slow down the locking process. Heavy creams or gels, over moisturizing, constantly separating, and playing in your hair. Okay, stop playing in your hair, girl and boy, stop playing. So the real answer to which microlocks lock faster is, drum roll please, Interlocked microlocks on Corsair with smaller sizes will definitely lock faster. But always remember, guys, no matter what microlock method you choose, enjoy the journey. And yeah, it's just a lifestyle, you know? So don't look at it in a sense of how long it's going to take and this and that. Just enjoy the journey because it's all your own. Now, if you've learned anything from this video, make sure you subscribe, like, and share. And guys, do me a quick favor. Drop in the comment section below which microlocks do you have or want. All right, thank you guys for joining me on this video, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.